Hello, I'm Terry Scavarda. I'm from Pueblo, West Colorado, and um, my experience through the first day of the Drone Command event was none short of incredible. It was totally amazing. When I first thought about drones, it was more like I didn't think of it as a business, but this event is really encouraging the business side of it. That there's a lot more to it, and I was totally amazed by today's events and all the information that I received from today's. And there's still 2 more days to go. I'm going to have a notebook full of notes, and it's going to be incredible. I learned a lot so far. I'm going to learn so much more the next 2 days. I'm totally excited to get this business off the ground and work in this business. I'm totally excited. I can't wait. I would totally recommend other uh, people to join Drone Command. If you have an opportunity, make sure you join it. You won't regret it. It'd be great for you. Thanks.